BMW 5 Series Gran Turismo by Hamann. Hamann released today details on their tuning package for the new BMW 5 Series GT. The tuner focused on improving both the car's aerodynamics and performance. The tuner started with a lowering kit and then proceeded to add a front spoiler, side skirts, and a rear spoiler in a subtle or striking design, as required to improve the car's driving dynamics. Hamann didn't stop there, however. They then added a new rear apron and 4 impressive stainless steel exhaust pipes that will make this vehicle purr like a kitten. Under the hood, the 530D model has been tuned to deliver a total of 275 HP and an impressive 620 Nm at 1750 RPM. This is obviously an increase from the previous 245 horsepower and 540 Nm of torque the BMW was working with. The boost of torque will leave the BMW 530D with a 20 Nm of torque advantage over the standard BMW 535D. Not much is added to the interior. In fact, the only differences will be the pedals and footrests coming in an aluminum design and a silver Hamann inscription added to the black foot mats. The package is finished with gigantic 22-inch tires. This package is equally as impressive as the package delivered by AC Schnitzer back in March. The only difference is that AC Schnitzer was able to push the BMW 5 Series GT a little further in the horsepower department by taking it to 286 horsepower. The other minor differences would be purely based on personal taste. Which do you prefer? Press release after the jump. Press release. Hamann Motorsport has given the current BMW 5 Gran Turismo a significantly more dynamic appearance and turned the crossover between a comfortably spacious SUV and an elegant limousine into one of the most exclusive multipurpose vehicles in the luxury class. As a renowned specialist of exquisite modifications for BMW automobiles, Hamann is offering powerful performance improvements, noteworthy sportiness when it comes to engine components, and an aerodynamics program with exciting styling for the Gran Turismo in the 5 Series. The high sitting position of a SUV, the versatility of a van, and the exclusive feeling of spaciousness of a limousine, the BMW 5 Series Gran Turismo, developed specifically for the US market, is already an unusual top-class, multi-purpose vehicle when it leaves the plant. Hamann has topped this and has given the BMW, internally known as the F07 series, a much more exclusive and sporty look. Sophisticated components have been developed for the Hamann aerodynamics program and processed with top-quality workmanship. The result, a breathtaking overall design with optimized airflow across the entire vehicle. A lowering kit for the models 530D, 535i and 550i, including air suspension, provides the multipurpose limousine with a much longer and dynamic appearance, even in a standing position. Perfectly synergized body components complete the exclusive appearance of the GT5 series by Hamann. The product range includes a front spoiler to be mounted on the standard front spoiler of the series, side skirts, and a rear spoiler in a subtle or striking design, as required. Both provide reduced lift force at the rear axle and thus considerably improve the driving dynamics. A new rear apron makes room for the Hamann mufflers. The 4 impressive stainless steel exhaust pipes feature an imposing diameter of 90 mm and create an extraordinarily robust sound. The Hamann motor specialists have developed a powerful performance gain from 245 PS 180 kW to 275 PS 202 kW for the 5 Series GT 530D. The torque, an even more important factor when it comes to driving pleasure, simultaneously increases from 540 Nm to an impressive 620 Nm at 1750 RPM. Thanks to Hamann Motorsport, the 5 Series Gran Turismo 530D, whose performance is enhanced due to optimization of the engine characteristics by means of reprogramming of the series Motronic, boasts 20 Nm more torque than the standard 535D, and that for only a fraction of the surcharge actually due. Befitting its image, the modified Gran Turismo boasts gigantic 22-inch tires. The elegantly styled Hamann alloy wheel Anniversary Evo has been specially developed for the requirements of heavyweight, truly massive vehicles. In line with Hammann's philosophy on modifications, state-of-the-art manufacturing processes and the use of special aluminium alloy ensure maximum load capacities at low weight. Hamann Anniversary Evo designer wheels for the BMW 5 Gran Turismo are available in the sizes 9.0x22 for the front and 10.5x22 for the back. Wide base tires are fitted front 265/30ths ZR20 and back 295/25ths ZR20. The Hamann interior matches the grand feel of the exterior. Pedals and the footrest come in an aluminium design, and the black foot mats feature a silver Hamann inscription for sporty emphasis. Hamann Motorsport offers a high-quality, wide range of products for additional modification and individual tailoring of the interior of the BMW 5 Series Gran Turismo.
If you liked this video, please share your thoughts in the comments below and don't forget to hit the subscribe button.